I I met Nina Keli Ivahamana when I was with a group called the Sunday Manoa. And I think at that time I must have been, it was like in the really, really early 20s of my long life. And we were going to her house for rehearsal. And we were in her garage. And here's Nina Keli Ivahamana singing so beautifully, and we were playing music. I was like, wow, this is a moment in my life, and I remember it, and I want to remember it for until that last breath goes away. You know. Miss Nina Keli Ivahamana.
Aloha, mahalo. My goodness, it's so wonderful to be here. Are we ready?
Yes, I am. You know, I've been practicing a lot of songs, getting ready for you.
Okay.
Shall we start with the Kauai song? Is that all right with you?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Mai ka ino Kauai, molelei ka mai, kuaiwi wai leanai ka mokihana. Mai ka ino
Kauai, molelei ka mai, kuaiwi wai leanai ka mokihana. Mai ka ino Kauai, molelei ka mai, kuaiwi wai leanai ka mokihana. I know what I want you to sing.
Okay.
The breeze and I.
Recalling the days I knew, the days I shared with you, moments so precious and few, I'm lost without you. You're far away, the breeze and I will stay within this lonely bed at Hanalei, within this lonely bed at
You know, I love to what. Sorry, Nina, this is a story about you that I might not have told anyone other than just you and I, but I love the way Nina teaches us how to play music. You know, I especially love to watch her with the young kids, because they don't know what to expect, you know. So, like, for example, that song we just finished, if some young kids were playing for her, they would probably do it like, or even faster. Because, you know, everybody sings it. Kaulana Valley. So If a young kid was playing, they would go like this. And Nina would go, and make those kids slow that music down. Because in this situation, Nina Kelly Ivahamana is the boss.
No, it's just that you have
It's
to,
true, and I love that.
you have to relish the lyrics.
Well, that's
Right.
true. That's
Otherwise,
true.
you know,
And
it's
I
lost.
love the way you enunciate the words. And if there's any example that is more prolific about, that kind of thing, it would be this next song.
Weha!